Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to search for apartments on the ImmoScout24 application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone and click on the search button down below in the left side corner of the screen. Tap on the start search button at the top. Type in your address into the search bar. So add your location. Tap on continue. You can select the apartment, whether you would like to rent or buy. The residential can be selected, business, and then click on the save button. You can set the amount of rent, the number of rooms, and the living space as well. Then click on the show results button down below and you will be able to browse among the results. As you scroll down, you can see all of them. Tap on the relevant one that you want to check out in more details. Here you can find every relevant information. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.